Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be talking about whether or not it's worth getting ExpressVPN. So let's talk a little bit about what ExpressVPN offers. In terms of privacy and security, they probably have more independent security audits than any other VPN. The list just goes on. And all of these are audits from outside third-party companies that have come in and checked out ExpressVPN's system and ensured that they really are secure and that they don't keep any personal user information local on their own servers, on their own computers, so that if any government or other agency would try to get that information, they just wouldn't have it. In general, ExpressVPN is known for a very high level of encryption. All of your data is going to be kept very secure and anonymous when you're using this VPN. On top of that, when it comes to using a VPN to access content in different countries, for example, on streaming platforms like Amazon, Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus, if you want to use it for gaming in order to try to get better and more stable ping, or to get access to a game that isn't available where you live, basically any situation where you want to make it seem as if you're in a different location when you're using the internet, ExpressVPN really does well. I've tested it out in all of these areas and I found that it maintains a stable and consistent connection, and it also has really fast speeds. Of course, if you want to make sure you're getting the fastest speed, go to the options, go to protocols. The protocol is how your VPN connects up to the internet. They have a new feature called Lightweight Turbo. If that works well for you, then you can go with that. That may even get you a faster connection, although this is a newer feature that they're still working on, so it might not work, it might work well, but you can always just go with the regular lightweight UDP or automatic in order to get the fastest possible speeds. OpenVPN probably won't be as fast. On top of that, you also have advanced protection, which blocks trackers, malicious sites, ads, and adult sites. And you also have network lock, which in other VPNs is called a kill switch. That'll disconnect your internet anytime the VPN stops working. So that'll make sure that you're always connected to the internet together with the VPN and prevent any data leaks. You also have split tunneling, allowing you to choose exactly what you want the VPN to be connected to. You don't need everything that you're doing connected to the VPN at the same time. So there really is a lot of features and a lot of options together with ExpressVPN. Not to mention that you have, as of now, 105 locations to choose from. All you have to do is click on this location bar, a window pops up with all of the countries, and for a lot of them, if you click on this arrow, you get more options within that country itself. So ExpressVPN is a very nice package and it definitely works well. Personally, it's my favorite VPN and it's the one that I use on a daily basis. So how much does it cost? So let's go over to the website, and it'll be for the 2-year plan. That's the best value, $5 a month, and you get 4 additional months for free. And you'll be able to get this price with a special discount link in the description of this video. And at this price, considering the quality of the VPN that you're getting, I definitely do think ExpressVPN is worth it. I've tested out a ton of VPNs and Express consistently gives me the best performance, speed, and connections. Now, all that said, if you try out Express or you just don't think it is exactly what you're looking for, there are other good options out there. Express isn't the only VPN I recommend. There's also NordVPN and Surfshark, and you'll find more information and discount links in the description for these as well. In general, Surfshark is the more budget option. It's less expensive, but at the same time, it doesn't necessarily have the features and performance of the other two, whereas NordVPN is really feature packed. It's for somebody who wants a ton of different features. You have specialty servers like double VPN, connecting you up to 2 different VPN servers before getting you over to the internet. That's just some examples. You also have Threat Protection Pro, which is a mini antivirus. So there really is just a ton to NordVPN. On the other hand, it isn't as user-friendly and simple as ExpressVPN. So it comes down to your personal preference, but the bottom line is that I do think ExpressVPN is a good value. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. Let me know in the comments which VPN you decide to go with. Thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.